Assembly. For operation of the device, you will need a PERMA Pro C-Line basic system, including the Pro MP6 connecting cable, the Pro B battery, and the connecting cable for the power supply or system controls. You will also need a Pro LC 250 or Pro LC 500 with lubricant, and the reusable cover for the Pro LC. Remove all protective caps. Insert the battery into the battery compartment. Pay attention to the printed arrow indicating the correct direction. Place the Pro LC in the cover and remove the plug. Now press the Pro LC into the cover until lubricant is expelled from the outlet opening. Place the Pro LC with the cover on the Pro C-Line basic system. Make sure that the catch engages in place and the gear teeth on both components, PERMA Pro C-Line basic system and Pro LC, mesh. Now turn the cover clockwise until the bayonet catch engages in place. To connect the Pro MP6 distributor to the PERMA Pro C-Line drive, connect one end of the 4-pin Pro MP6 connecting cable to the connection on the PERMA Pro C-Line drive, and the other end to the connection on the Pro MP6 distributor. Screw both plug connections in place. Connect the PERMA Pro C-Line to the power supply cable. Activation. When the Pro LC is attached, the display screen shows the abbreviation LN, which stands for line. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. The display screen shows the remaining runtime. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds again. A pin prompt appears on the display screen. The default factory setting for the pin is 00. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds and set the size of the LC. You can use the Select button to choose either Pro LC 250 or Pro LC 500 as the size of the LC. You can use the Mode Save button to configure the outlets one by one. On the PERMA Pro C-Line, you can choose from 6 outlets. Outlet 1 flashes first. You can activate or deactivate it by pressing the Select button. If Outlet 1 is activated, a marking appears on the display screen behind the text showing Outlet 1. Now select further outlets by pressing the Mode Save button repeatedly. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds to configure the number of strokes for the first active outlet. Press Select to enter the number of strokes. 1 stroke discharges 0.5 cubic centimeters of lubricant. Confirm the selected number of strokes by pressing and holding the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. You can then set the pause time for this outlet. You can select from 3 modes: time-controlled, impulse-controlled, or dual mode. Time-controlled mode. In time-controlled mode, you select the pause time in days between 2 consecutive lubricant discharges. You can use Select to change the first digit. Confirm the selection by pressing the Mode Save button. Now change the second digit and confirm it by pressing and holding the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. The PERMA Pro C-Line lubrication system has an external power supply. The pause time therefore depends on the operating time of the system. Proceed in exactly the same way for the other active outlets. Impulse-controlled mode. If you set the pause time to 00 days, this outlet runs in impulse mode. The set number of pump strokes are performed with each discharge. A discharge is issued when the voltage of the system is disconnected and then reapplied. Please note, the remaining runtime cannot be displayed in impulse mode. Proceed in exactly the same way for the other active outlets. Dual mode. The active outlets can run with some in time-controlled mode and some in impulse-controlled mode. Once you have set the desired mode, confirm your selection by pressing and holding the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. Proceed in exactly the same way for the next active outlet. When configuring the lubrication system for the first time, you have the option of changing the pin. Change the first digit using the Select button and confirm the change by pressing the Mode Save button. The second digit can then also be changed. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds to save the pin input. The Permet Pro C line is now fully configured and ready for operation. Connect the Permet Pro C line basic system to the power supply. The green LED flashes and the system carries out a first initialization run. With the initialization run, the system checks whether all the outlets are detected. On completion of the initialization run, the Permet Pro C line switches to operating mode.